want to know about Miss Quad? Well, Miss Quad is very busy. I do it all, you know, brand contributor for BCBG, author of Cooking with Miss Quad, Live, Love, Laugh, and Eat, my cookbook that I hold near and dear to my heart, to being a talk show host here at Sister Circle.
And listen, I just got to tell you, I am thankful. So today is Thankful Thursday. I'm just grateful to have those who love me, who support me.
Cooking is very therapeutic for me. I have a passion for it. I enjoy it. It's something that I shared with my mom as I was growing up. It really allows me to express my love through creating amazing meals and dishes for my family. To be able to create something from scratch and have someone to be proud of what you've done and to really enjoy it is heartwarming for me.
Today I am actually shooting the cover for my book. I know, you've all been waiting for it. Listen, I've been waiting too.
I know everyone was asking for it for a long time, and I'm really pleased to announce that now my cookbook, Cooking with Miss Quad, Live, Love, Laugh, and Eat, is available for pre-order. Sometimes people may say, Miss Quad, you're doing too much. I say I'm not doing enough. This is just the beginning for me, and I'm only scratching the surface.